This is a Medeco Duracam, and it is a biaxial dimple lock. And biaxial means that each pin needs to be rotated to the correct angle as well as lifted to the correct height to open. This is commonly found in the gaming and parking control industry, and UltimateSecurityDevices.com says that this lock features a unique rotating tumbler pin system which is virtually pick-proof. So using a pry bar and dimple rake from Covert Instruments Echelon set, we're going to put that to the test. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.